In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital product on Gumroad. So the first thing I'm doing here is going to gumroad.com and logging into my account. Once I'm inside the dashboard, I'm heading over to the products section because that's where I can create something new to sell. From there, I'm clicking new product and that opens up the setup so I can start building the product from scratch. Now I'm entering the product's name and this is the title people are going to see when they come across the listing. Right after that, I'm choosing digital product because this is something customers will get online instead of a physical item. Once that part is set, I'm moving down to the price field and entering the amount I want to charge. I'm just making sure that looks right and then I'm clicking next to move on. At this point, I'm in the area where I can set the product details. So now I'm going through that section and getting the listing ready before I upload the actual file. This is where the product starts to feel a little more complete, and I'm just making sure the details are in place so everything looks right once it goes live. I'm not doing anything extra here, just working through the product details and then moving on once that part is done. Now I'm heading over to the content tab because this is where the digital file itself gets added. Once I'm inside content, I'm clicking upload files. That opens the file picker from my computer, so now I'm selecting the file I want to upload and then clicking open. Gumroad starts bringing the file in, and at this point I'm just giving it a second to finish uploading properly. Once the file appears, I can make a couple of small changes right here if I need to. So now if the file name needs to be cleaned up a little, I can rename it right here. I can also add a description, which is helpful if I want to give a little more context about what the file is or what's included. Nothing complicated, just a few quick edits to make the product look more polished and easier for the buyer to understand. At this point, I'm doing one last check over everything. I've gone to gumroad.com, logged in, clicked products, selected new product, entered the product name, chosen digital product, set the price, clicked next, gone through the product details, opened the content tab, uploaded the file and then renamed it or added a description if needed. Once all of that looks good, the last thing I'm doing is clicking publish, and that's it. As soon as I click publish, the digital product goes live on Gumroad. So the whole process is really just creating the product, adding the basic details, uploading the file, making any small adjustments you need, and then publishing it when everything looks right. Once that's done, your digital product is uploaded and ready on Gumroad.